how to dress in simple alternative fashion. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more videos without miss. Wearing simple, alternative clothes can be fun and is good ways to express yourself. Watching full video and enjoy. Picture your ideal simple alternative look. Make sure you have a pretty good idea of what you want to wear to live your life. Print out pictures from the internet and cut out images from magazines of styles you like to keep you inspired. Paste them to your wall, or create a little fashion notebook and put them in there. Go through your closet. A lot of times you can still use a lot of your current clothes in your new wardrobe. Get rid of anything that you don't feel flatters, that you dislike. Keep an eye out for things that could be altered to fit your new style, as sometimes they could end up being your favorite pieces. Begin shopping for your new wardrobe if you want to. Shop at thrift stores for old-fashioned, vintage, or cheaper clothing. Don't be afraid to shop in unusual places or places that don't look like they'd have any potential. It's easy to miss a needle in a haystack. Find different ways to style your hair. You can have short and punkish hair, long and flowing hair, cute and wavy hair, whatever you want. Start trying on different outfits. Don't be afraid to wear something you would think would never match. It may look really good. Have a friend who wears similar styles help you decide whether they look good. Be proud of your style. Don't let anyone put you down no matter what they say. It's your life and you should be able to do what you want. Finish off the look with hair and makeup. While there is no typical alternative hairstyle, many people opt for thick, sweeping bangs over one eye. Still, these elements of your style are highly variable, so go with whatever you like best. Finished.